guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been so long, but in today's video I'm gonna unbox a little Romwe box that I actually got during New Year's Eve, so I'm opening it really late. But the time has come. So here we go. Before we start, I have a discount code with Romwe, and it is, I'm pretty sure it's Kelly right now, just Kelly, K-E-L-L-I. Let me get my phone to check. I'm actually gonna double check my discount code right now to make sure I'm saying the right one. On the Romwe app, I'm gonna scroll down, I'm gonna click checkout, and then I'm gonna click on coupon code, and I'm gonna type in Kelly. Okay, cool, and that is the discount code. Let's open up and see what we have in this box. Cute! Sorry, there's so much dust on the back of the box. But when you open it up, it says, Happy New Year from Romwe. Cute little pop-up, adorable, love the box. I literally can't believe I'm opening this so late. So it has this little thing. This marks 11 years of Romwe. Wow, congrats. Oh, cute. So this has the Romwe Next Gen with our 4 new aesthetics. Street Spo, Alt Spo, Anime Love, and Kawaii Love. Cool, so let's check out what we got. No way! This is so cute. So it's like a little bag with Angelica on it from the Rugrats. Looks like this. It says, aren't I just the greatest? Leo vibes, me. So it has like a little wristband there and then cute. So it's just basic little bag. I was seeing if it was like squishy on the inside because I had these in there, but yeah. Cute. Oh my god, this looks adorable. I see cute things in here. What's this? Let me see. It's a hair tie! It's fuzzy and like has a little bear head and like... I'm obsessed! Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. I can't believe I waited so long to open this up. What? I'm insane. Okay. What's this? These look like little pins, maybe? Oh, they're earrings. Well, these are cute. I think they're like kawaii vibes. I don't know. You youngins out there would know more than I would, but looks like these. Super cute. Oh, wow. Oh my god, I love these earrings. These earrings are like emo punk rock. These are cute. I like them. Okay, so check these out. They're like hoops, but with studs on them. These are vibey. I like these. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. Let's see, what's this? Oh, these are cute. These are little safety pins. What is this? Is this a bracelet? Oh my gosh, I think these are earrings too. Wow. Okay, so we have little safety pins with chains and like that. It's kind of hard to show it. But yeah, these are cute. Oh, I love these. These are cute. Looking good. Is this a belt? Looks like we have a belt. Looks like it has a chain attached to it. Let's see. Oh, cute, cute. Okay, cool. Wow, this is convenient because it's one of those belts that will like fit you no matter what because the holes are all the way down it. So that's cool. Black belt. And then this cute little, okay, cute. And then we have like this butterfly chain. Clips on, has a little hoop, and then it has this chain as well, so you can add accessories to your belt, be all cute and trendy and accessorized and whatnot. My air conditioning just turned on and it blows really hard through my vents, and my vents like make a noise when it blows through, so if you guys hear that noise, it is my air conditioning on that I'm grateful for. Okay, let's see, what is this? What is this? Oh cute, it's a pillowcase. Interesting. You know, I'm not exactly sure what's on it, but it looks like this. And it is a pillowcase for a throw pillow. Cute. Alright, moving along. Opening this. What are you? Is this a hat? Cute! This is a hat. How cute. So, it's one of these numbers. It looks like this, you know, you can wear it with those silver earrings and then the belt. Look, all alternative punk rock. Those things probably didn't go together. And people are like, that's not what it is. Okay, whatever. You win. Oh, I see SpongeBob. Let's see. I literally love SpongeBob. Look at the dust on the back of his butt. Just kidding. Don't look. Oh my god! Okay, wait. I just looked at the next thing and I'm pumped. Okay, let me see. Cute. Little fanny pack with the imagination by SpongeBob SquarePants himself. And then this is so freaking cute. It's a bucket hat with SpongeBob, Patrick, and Gary, and an ice cream cone. This is so freaking cute. Wait, where's my camera? Okay, here it is. So cute. I'm obsessed. Love it, love it, love it. Where? Yo, my camera's over there, but my screen is over here, and then like everything, I just don't know where to look. Okay, anyway. Cute, love the hat, bucket hat, love SpongeBob, love the vibes, love it. Okie dokie, and then we have like a little pastel purple coin purse, it looks like. And it looks like this with a little dude on it. It kind of looks like the rice emoji with a little black thing in it on the iPhone. I think that's what it is. Cute! Cool. So another little mini coin purse thing. And then is this one of those like reusable bags? Like, I think. Yo, I feel like me crinkling the bag is the loudest sound ever. Okay, anyway. Cute. It is a little reusable bag like this little tote bag. Nature brings us to peace. Facts. Can't argue with you there, Romwe. Can't argue with you there. Ooh, that's cute. I keep looking at the next thing while I'm looking at the thing I'm opening. Okay, so we have another little, oh, cat. Portal to the cat dimension. I am intrigued. I love cats. Cool. So here's this. Okay, this beanie is cute AF. I don't know why it's giving me Justin Bieber vibes, but I love the color. And I love the little face embroidered on it. This is too cute. I also love it with the color of this shirt for some reason. I don't know. It is just a vibe, and I like it a lot. Moving along, we have another little accessory chain vibes. Let's see. Oh, this is a necklace. Oh, I love this. I absolutely love this. This is like a layered necklace. And this first layer has a little heart on it. These look like that. And then this has like a little locket down here. I love this. This is so cute. And this would also like look cute with the earrings that they gave me. Which, where I put them there in the pink bag. Okay. I'm a mess. Oh, cute. Are these those little choker things? Or are those things that you wrap around your leg? What are you? I guess it can be whatever you want it to be. Because you can put it wherever you want. But this is what... Oh my god, see, I'm telling you, my angles are all messed up. Cute. That's a vibe. I got it in white. I got it in black. And baby pink. This one's the softest for some reason. Like, the strap is, like, really soft. These are so cute. Love those. And then we have 2 Snoopy bags. Adorable. So this is a white little Snoopy bag like this. The strap is adjustable, so you can make it long or short, whatever you want. Too cute. And then we have a metallic silver Snoopy, what are these? Fanny pack. Vibey. Such a little, I want to say like alien vibes, but Snoopy vibes at the same time. Okay, cool. Well, there we go for the Romwe New Year's Eve box that took me, let's see, January, February, March, April, or what month are we in? We're in April now. Okay, so it only took me 3 months. That's not that bad, right? I'll put this one on now and see how the vibes are. Cute! I love it. Why is that so cute? Can't get over this hair tie. This is the cutest hair tie ever. Like, are you kidding? I love it. Literally so cute. It's my new pet. And then I absolutely love this layered necklace with the 3 layers on it like that. I'm a huge fan. Great work. Danny DeVito, I love your work. I'm going to put this one on for funsies. I have a lot of accessories going on right now. This is too cute. I love it. And then where are those earrings? Now these are interesting. Are these really just safety pins? Yup. Yeah, these are literally just safety pins. How the hell do you wear them? I don't get these ones. I'm going to try to put them on and try to figure it out, I guess. Because I don't get it. Okay, what? It's just a literal safety pin. Like, I don't even understand the physics. Like, what do you mean? What do I do? I pierce myself a new hole right now. Oh my god, wait. Ow! Jeez, these are... I don't know what the hell to do with these. They're in. Okay, so they look like that. I think I put them in backwards. Like, I think the... Hold on, wait. I think... That part should be in the front. Okay, wait, let me try to put it in again. Ow! Ow! Oh my god! Yo! Holy guacamole! That hurt. I did that wrong. Good god. I did not do that correctly. Okay, you know what? I'm actually not going to do this without a mirror and like, you know, what the hell am I doing? I don't know. Woo! These are dangerous. Get these at your own risk. I don't know what else to say. Let's put in these punk rock hoops. A vibe. I fell in love with an emo girl. I'm in love with an emo girl. Okay, well I guess that's it. Thanks for checking out my new YouTube video. And sorry I don't make them that much. It's just really hard because I do not have a vlogging camera. I have like an SLR camera, which it's like the big type of camera where you basically need a photographer. I need someone else because I can record an entire video and it will be blurry because I'm not, like my arms aren't long enough to click the focus button and XYZ. So it is just hard. It's not easy. I need a vlogging camera basically. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe so you guys can see when I do post videos. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Twitter, whatever, all the fun things. Follow me. And yeah, comment if you would wear anything that I got from this box, or comment what your favorite thing was, and I'll holler at y'all later. Ciao for now. Bye.